Hi friends, I'm Tanush. These are creative seeds from giftmygift.com. Come, I'll show you how to use this. This gift pack contains creative seeds, coir pot, potting mixture and a carry bag. First, take out the cover. See, in this tomato seed is there. Tools and make little hole and keep it and cover some potting mixture. And add some water. Water the creative seed 3 times a day before going to school, after coming from school and after dinner. After 2 weeks, you can see the tomato plant like this. With the pot, you can put it to the bigger pots. Now I'll show you how to transfer with the pot to a bigger pot. First, take the tool and make little hole. Do the same with all other creative seeds. If we plant a carrot seed, see, it is grown. The carrot seed has grown here. This is a brinjal plant. I am repotting this again. This is chili plant from chili creative seeds. I am also going to plant this. Grow your own vegetables and fruits. Be healthy and strong. Strong like me and Tata. And visit our YouTube channel and website. Thank you.